welcome or welcome back to my channel. It is Rata coming at you all puffed up with another video. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my imperfect cornrows, okay? I'm not going to call them perfect because I'm a beginner, but I'm going to show you guys how I transform from this afro into this beautiful cornrows, okay? They're beautiful to me. So yeah, so we're going to start out. So I sectioned my hair into 4 sections, parted them really well, opened my lines, to get out that divineness. So I'm going to go on with this styling gel by Dark and Lovely just to have my hair just flatten out really well. Also, natural hair works really well when it's like wet, so just to get that like more neat look, I put gel. So I start off by parting my hair at the front so that I can section it into 3 strands that I can work with. Now I realize that my partings at the front are a little bit too thick, so you can definitely make yours a little bit thinner so that the front part can look a little bit more neat. So yeah, so I'm sectioning my hair into 3 strands, and then with my index finger, I start with my index finger, I take my left strand, and then I create that X, and then with my index finger again I take my right strand and create another X. So basically just imagine it as trying to create X's. I don't know if that makes sense or if I'm making sense, but my index finger, I go behind the middle strand and then go to the right strand and hug it, then go behind my middle strand, go to the left strand and hug it. So after doing that for a couple of times, maybe like 3 times, this is when I start to grab some hair. So grabbing the hair is a little bit tricky to explain. What I do is when I take my index finger behind the middle strand, I push it through the amount of hair I would like to grab for that strand, and then take it to the side and repeat for every middle piece strand that I do. Okay, so if you're finding this method of mine a little bit tricky to understand, I would suggest practicing a normal braiding on a doll or a person, a doll for me, and just do this pattern going backward. So you basically plaiting your hair inward and not really outward. So doing this backward motion, index behind middle, going to the right strand, index behind middle, going to the left strand. On a doll, it's going to be easier when you implement that on your hair. So let's do this again. I think second time is definitely the charm, or third time's the charm. I don't know, but we're gonna try do this on my last braid, and hopefully I am able to explain it to you guys a little bit better and you guys understand it a little bit more. So I part my hair in the front and I section it into 3 strands, which is like a normal sectioning for braiding. And with my 3 strands, oh, my middle one is a little bit thin, but okay. With my 3 strands, I take my index finger and I move it behind my middle strand to hug my left strand or the strand on the side, and then I just repeat that process, creating my X, take my index finger, move it behind the middle strand to my side strand, which is my right strand, and then I just keep on repeating this method till I start grabbing some hair.
I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down, baby. We took a trip, now we on your block and it's like a ghost town. Baby, where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? When the trenches relax, can you not pay that little boy in the club? Cause we do not listen to rats. Me in Atlanta, I buy her weed, she telling me Tay is the best. One of them niggas who act like a killer, but you only want from the neck. I'm like the baby, I'm not just a rapper. You play with me, you won't be stretched.
Okay, so I'm done and it's edge time. Now it's time to lay my edges and make them look pretty. And I go again with my Dark and Lovely gel, and I just try lay my baby hairs, my edges that don't even want to lay, but we're gonna make them lay, okay? Because we want to look a little bit more pretty. There I am, okay, girl, looking so pretty. So this is my final look. I am donezo, and I'm very proud of the work that I did on my hair. We definitely can improve, but for now, it is looking really good. So if you guys want to try out this imperfectly beginner way of doing cornrows, please do, because I find that it really works. So yeah, that is it for my video. Hope you guys enjoyed watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and also turn on my post notifications so you may be notified every time I make a new upload. Yeah, okay. Love you guys. Bye.